A major change to your health insurance coverage is the last thing any of us would want in the middle of a pandemic. It's even worse, much worse, if you have stage 4 cancer. And learn the place where you get life-saving treatment won't be covered in network next year.
Denver 7's Lance Hernandez is trying to get some answers.
It was a heart stopper.
Jonathan Jansen talking about a phone call from Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield the day before Thanksgiving.
They started off with, we're going to lower your premium, but unfortunately, we're no longer be covering UCHealth.
That was a shock for the 31-year-old who's being treated for stage 4 gastrointestinal cancer by a specialist at UCHealth. Next year, UCHealth will be out of network on Anthem's new lower premium Pathway Essentials plan.
Nerve-wracking. I mean, I didn't sleep last night, you know what I mean? Like, it's wondering if I'm going to be able to keep my doctors or not is huge.
Jansen tried to get answers on his own. He says Anthem was no help. He reached out to Denver 7. We called UCHealth. The VP of Communications told us they're working with many patients to help them receive an exception to the network change and offered to help Jansen with the process. Dan Weaver says it's still up to the insurance company to approve or deny the request, but we've been happy to see that many patients have had their request approved. Jansen's fiance says it's stressful not knowing.
It's not healthy.
Zoe Pilsticker says the TKI inhibitors her fiance uses to shrink the tumors are very expensive. She says out-of-network expenses would compound the stress.
Should the cancer take him, he would leave me with an insurmountable amount of medical debt as his spouse. So it affects you in more ways than just his immediate medical care.
Anthem says UCHealth was invited to join the new Pathway Essentials network, but opted not to. A spokesman says UCHealth remains in network for all other Anthem plans. Lance Hernandez, Denver 7.